Hey, welcome back to another episode of John's Crypto Therapy. Today I'm going to do a quick analysis on the 1 minute, guys. This is going to be really quick, but what I'm looking for is a bearish move right now. So what I'm expecting is even if prices go up, we're expecting price to go a little bit lower. So what I want to see on Bitcoin is go towards these ranges right here. And I'm going to do a quick analysis on why I do believe right now Bitcoin is going to fall towards this downside right here. I am recording this quick, but I want to show you the analysis that I'm doing and how I'm portraying price to continue towards the downside. So guys, stay tuned. I will be doing these type of videos live as well. So if you guys want to see that and me do live coins, I'm more than welcome to do that in front of you guys. But I want to explain to you why I do believe Bitcoin is going to fall towards these range. And I do want to explain price and what it's doing right now. So I want to talk to you guys right here. This is an order block right here. Prices went towards the upside, mitigated that order block. So that means what? Everything in the bottom is mitigated. So that means that it's an easy move for me to decide price is going to go towards the downside. Towards the upside, we could clearly see we did get that pullback retest right here, guys. As you can see right there, we got that pullback retest, and you could have entered your short just off of this candle, but we understood that we want to pull back before it goes lower. Reasons why: we understand price wants to go lower, and we know these levels are weak right now because it's been tested and it's already validated, as in it's already liquidated those orders. So what we're expecting right now, guys, as we could see, we've seen a break towards the downside. We put our Fibonacci retracement. You do get a 61.8. We even looked for the 50 for a good retracement. So what I'm expecting right now, guys, and I'm still going to stay on this laptop right now just so I can show you guys, I'm still expecting price to continue to the downside. I don't care how far it goes up, as long as the highs are protected. As you guys can see right here, we want to see price continuing to the downside. So that is what we're expecting. We'll see how it plays out. So I'm going to be waiting here. This is a key level. Price can slightly go back towards the upside for a little period of time, but what we're still expecting, guys, is a huge break towards the downside. So I want to show you guys why it's validated. So the other thing that I want to talk to you guys about right here, we did have a fair value gap. It's already liquidated. So as you guys can see, price already went up. So I don't have to worry about that. What I have to worry about is this right here, a fair value gap. And of course, this order block. That's why I'm expecting price to be attracted towards this downside magnet for a good retracement before prices choose to go back up. So what we're still waiting for, guys, is price going towards the downside. The other cool thing is if I take this box and make it towards this downside, let me remove this arrow right here and I remove it towards this downside, you guys can see what price is doing. It retraced back into that area, pullback area. Then we have sellers coming back in. So price is trying to go a little bit higher because why? We're expecting this as a double bottom confirmation, but that's okay. We're still considering this as a weak structure. A lot of people trade zones. That is totally fine, but you got to understand when is a weak structure versus when it's a strong structure. So what I'm expecting still, guys, is price going towards the downside. I'm going to stay confident with my trade idea. So we're waiting and we're going to wait for this structure to play out. So once again, we're just waiting on this 1 minute. Price is playing towards the downside. We could do more analysis, as you guys can see, and take a look at this one right here. This is another box, and you guys could see price broke out, retested into it, bearish signal. This is giving me so much confidence, guys, so much confidence that price wants to tank. It wants to go really low. So I'm going to be waiting. You could look for another short here, maybe put it on top of this box if you want to be tight, maybe towards the upside here, but we already are positioned into a comfortable trade. I'm still expecting price to go lower. So we're just going to wait, guys, right here before anything does happen. So we're still waiting. Price wants to go towards the downside. This is our main target area, roughly around the $28,566 mark. And we're still waiting for that structure and confirmation. When we look right here, guys, this was already mitigated. You can see price went out, retested, went back towards the downside. This box right here was already mitigated. Price went up, came back up, pushed towards the upside. We went from the tops, as you guys can see. This right here was mitigated, as we can portray price retested to that structure. Beautiful tank down. Then we have another structure, beautiful retest, tank down towards the downside, and now we're seeing that price is stalling around these levels, and we're still patiently waiting because we are going to see a violent move. I don't care how long it goes sideways. I understand structure will be doing this for a little while because now it's falsely telling you get out of the trade, and this is the psychological part about trading. A lot of people don't get this. They think this is a double bottom and they will look to buy the market. This is where you lose your money. You got to understand when it's a weak structure versus when it's a strong structure. Take a look at this. A lot of people look at this wick and get confused. You don't have to, guys. Go to your line graph. You can see clearly we broke below structure. So what is that telling us? We have a break of structure, a continuation towards the downside, a beautiful confirmation. This is a trade that I'm actually in right now, guys. And I just want to update you guys to show you what you could do and what you can achieve on the 1 minute. This is absolutely possible. And this is what trading is about. So we're seeing a confirmational break. We're waiting for price to continue towards this downside. And once again, guys, we don't have to take profit just right there. We could take it slightly before, because why? And of course, on the lower time frame, guys, there's going to be a lot of buy orders around here. Okay. So that means, guess what? When prices come towards this level, we might see a huge explosion just because we have a fair value gap and we have an order block confirmation. The other cool thing is when we look into this structure right here on this left-hand side, it's confirmation and it's telling me another fair value gap, which did get mitigated, but it's telling us this is such a strong level that we're waiting for price to continue down. What we're trying to do is feed the whales. We're trying to give the whales the confirmation, because this is where I can look for another order or another buying opportunity. But what I'm trying to show you guys is consistency. The mindset of being a great trader is about consistency. Don't worry about the structures in front of you too much, because a lot of people do get psychologically confused. Trading is not about that. It's about understanding your rules, your rule base. Stick with it. Stick with it to the end of that trade. If you lose, that's okay. There's another day. You'll rebound and you continue from there. If you win, great. Your strategy does work, and make sure to backtest this as much as you can. And I've always backtest this. I provide this education towards my students, and this is why a lot of my students are so profitable, guys. So I'm still waiting for this dump that we're looking for. So we're just going to wait, guys. And I want to show you trading is possible. For people that say you can't trade on the 1 minute, you can't trade OMI, you can't trade all of this, you guys are being fooled by social media. You guys are being fooled by all these gurus telling you need a special indicator. No, you don't. This is naked trading. This is how I trade. And I want to show you guys exactly what price is going to do. I'm not going to stop until price hits that bottom to show you guys exactly my orders are filled. And this is where the maximum take profit is going to be. I'm not getting scared at all. Even if I see a huge move towards the upside like this is absolutely fine. This is 100% fine. I'm still waiting for that dump. So we can see a retracement back down towards the downside. Still great confirmation. All these orders up here are complete. So if prices do choose to go up, it can. Absolutely, it can. But we are banking on the fact that we broke structures towards the downside. We mitigated all these orders towards the downside. We even mitigated these orders towards the downside right here, and it's already invalid. So we're still waiting for that beautiful dump, and I'm going to show you guys consistency is key. So we're still waiting on this price action move, and let's see what it does right here. And if you guys are into pattern trading, which is totally fine, you could draw your channels, your flags, everything like that, guys. And on the 1 minute, structure is not as strong as we could tell, and we could see, especially on the 4 hour, it's a little bit stronger. Higher time frames are always going to be stronger. So we're still, banking on the fact that price is going to continue to this downside. So we're waiting here, guys, and we're seeing what price can do. And we already entered the trade around this price action right here. So, we're in some profits. We're still waiting for price to continue down. The full profits will be somewhere around here. And you know what? Price is going to fall, guys. And this is how much conviction I have in being a great trader, being someone that does provide great lessons and coaching. And this is what I offer you guys. If you guys want to be a great trader, and especially be trading on the 1 minute right now, I'm up $1,000, guys. Easy money right now. And you know what? This is what consistency is about. So let's still wait this out, guys. Price is going towards the downside, and we're just going to wait. So the other cool thing I want to show you guys here, let me remove this here because it's already completed. Look at this order block right here. So when you look at this order block, a lot of people do get this confused. They'll be like, oh, this order block is going to push price up. Absolutely wrong, guys, because look at the body of the order block. Did we break that? Absolutely we did. So that means it's giving me more confirmation. Like I said, guys, price is going to tank. This is why I am so confident in the trading ability, and why trading is the new future of, evolution. And I want you guys to understand, if you can learn anything from my channel or take anything from my channel, I just wish you take one moment of your life and just look up trading. Not from me. You don't have to learn from me, guys. I just wish you take one moment and look up what trading can do for you. This is my full-time career, full-time job. I know I'm on a little rant, but I want to just show you guys what consistency is. A lot of bullish momentum. You know, a lot of people would have exited trades. I don't need to. Reasons why: I have so much confidence in the ability because I tested this strategy. It is a 93% accurate strategy. It works on crypto, forex, futures, even stocks, guys. So this is something that you can play out. And the other cool thing is, when you look at crypto, there is a lot of gaps in the market. And I'm even doing this on the 1 minute, as you guys can see. So the price action is still here. And let's talk about this right here, guys. Take a look at this. So it is a little bit scribbly. I do consider this like my artwork. I do apologize for that. So let me clear up this chart and I want to show you guys something. So clearly we are trying to make a new low. So I'm waiting for that new low so I can use this as an order block. But right now I don't want to use that as an order block because we really didn't make a new low compared to this body's candle. So I'm still expecting price to continue off of the energy from this block that we have, you know, finished off. So I'm not looking for a new order block yet. I'm just using this block as a confirmation of price continuing down. If it makes a new low, then comes back up, then absolutely I'll use a new order block as a confirmation for an extra bias towards the downside. And this could be another move that price can tank towards the downside. And once I look left of structure and I see it trying for a lot of period of time, then I will reduce the risk, take some profits and stuff like that. So I don't believe I need to take anything out yet. Even though we have a bullish engulfing, a lot of people will look for buys. I'm not looking for buys at all. I do believe that price is going to continue to the downside. We're going to wait. If it doesn't break in the next, 3 minutes or so, then I will reduce my risks and bring my stop loss down and then continue from there. So take a look at that, guys. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is a trade that I put in my signals group, and that's why I said to myself, let me give it to you guys for free. Let me show you guys. I know it's not for free because I'm recording this right now live, guys, but I am going to be doing this live, and I am going to be making a Twitter account perfect. Hit our profit exactly, guys. Let's see if it goes continue towards the downside. If we do continue towards the downside, we're going to be locking in so much profits, and I do believe that there's going to be a huge reversal right on the tip of this move. It could go a little bit lower. You could put your Fibonacci's in right here, and you can look for the 50 zone. But regardless, guys, I'm looking for that tip. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing and why this is such a continuation right now. So prices do break towards the downside, what we could see right here, and what we can expect. Look for the highest wick candle. I'm going to expect, if we don't touch this, what we're going to see is prices coming back here. We're going to see a bullish candle and then another bearish candle. Once I see that bearish candle, I'm going, oh, beautiful. It already did beautiful. Exactly what I said, guys. This is the passion of trading. This is what trading is about. Locked in our profits, absolutely smashed it. And this is how easy trading is. A lot of people psychologically get confused. They believe you need to go on Twitter, you need to listen to people. No, guys, people lie. And this is the passion that I'm trying to say. Numbers don't. Follow the numbers, follow the structure, and this is the beauty of trading. Now, what I'm expecting is maybe a rebound towards the upside, but guys, I locked in my profits for today. I'm absolutely fine. I don't believe in over trading. I believe in trading for the right reason, taking your profits and going from there. And if you guys do like this video and you learned something really important, please do me a solid favor, like, share, and subscribe. And I am also going to be making a Twitter account very shortly, guys. I will be updating in the community, and that Twitter account will have signals for you guys to take and learn and everything like that. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is what I do. I'm a professional trader. I've been doing this for 8 solid years. And if you guys do want to learn and you want to get out of that edge and you want free advice, please don't be shy. I am more than welcome to give you guys free advice because what I want to do is build this community to the top. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Take it easy. And John out. Peace.